If you want to check RAM usage on the CMF Phone 2 Pro, the first thing that we need to do is open Settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll all the way down and we need to enable developer options. So let's go to About Phone. Over here, go to Nothing OS Information or the software info and keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password in order to see this information that we are now a developer. So now we're gonna go back to the settings. This time we're gonna choose System, go to Developer Options, and then over here go to Memory. We need to enable Memory Usage Profiling. So tap on the switcher in order to turn it on, and after that we need to restart our phone. After restarting our device, we're gonna go back to the settings. Once again, choose System, Developer Options, and we're gonna go to Memory. And over here we can check the memory usage. Over here we can also change the time frame over here. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!